This camper van is the EuraMobil V635EB. EB tells us that it has Einzelbetten, single beds. Now this will cost 83,000 euros. I kid you not. A Fiat Ducato camper van at a cost of 83,000. But it is a lot more elegant than most of them. We've got these skylights up here allowing light to flood in. Here, okay, this looks the same as all the other Fiat Ducato camper vans, the same table, maybe it's a slightly different colour. Here we've got a moulded sink, which most of them don't give. There's two burners, which all of them do give. There's storage underneath it and storage above. In the toilet, we have a false wall, which allows for the shower to be presented, which is there, and there is the toilet. Personally, I'd rather have the two things together, and because I've spoken to people who repair these things, they tell me the false walls usually end up going astray after a short time. Here we've got a fridge, and we've got the two beds at the back, which of course can be joined. Under the fridge there is a wardrobe. Now one thing I noticed from the outside is that it has drawers. Now and they look quite attractive. I'll take you to the back because I think it's the back of a camper van where all the action is, in my opinion. So gas cabin on the left, more storage on the right, and this shelf would allow you to keep chairs and tables and outdoor equipment under it. Now EuraMobil started doing camper vans quite recently. There are other companies in its group which have been doing them for a very long time, such as Roller Team and Benimar. They are considerably cheaper, but they don't look as good as this one does. Let's just have a little quick test and see, however, if there is a difference from EuraMobil. No, I'm afraid there isn't. It isn't insulated. So that is unfortunately the case with many manufacturers of camper vans. So I hope you found that interesting. I've done that in under 3 minutes, but if you're interested to know more, I have done much longer videos on this vehicle and many others, which you can find on my channel. I upload every day at 21:15, and there you can find all sorts of information on van life. All the best from me in Dusseldorf.